Hello friends, myself Jitendra Kumar Mahapatra welcome you all to your channel The Utkal Investor. Some of you might be thinking, why have I chosen a Tata coffee stock for today's analysis? But before explaining that, let me discuss why have I chosen a coffee stock first. Coffee is one of the most popularly consumed beverage all over the world. In India also, it has started gaining popularity over tea due to the rising disposable income and the awareness regarding the health benefits of coffee. If I start speaking regarding all the health benefits of coffee, the video can extend up to 1 hour and still all the benefits may not be covered. But speaking, some of its benefits are ingredients called caffeine present in coffee help us in feeling less tired, increases our alertness and energy level. It helps us boost our metabolic rate and in burning fat. Coffee improves our physical performance drastically. There are important nutrients present in coffee like vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, potassium and manganese. Coffee helps in lowering the risk of heart disease by 80% and the type 2 diabetes by 50%. It also helps us in lowering our depression and makes us feel happier. The reason behind me telling you all these things are that coffee is not just a beverage but has an ample of health benefits. Hence its consumption is increasing and would increase at a faster rate as more and more people become aware with its health benefits. The company which is making the most out of this increasing consumption of coffee not only in India but globally is Tata Coffee. The name Tata says everything, so the management needs no introduction. The company has 19 coffee estates in southern India spread across Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Tata Coffee is the largest integrated coffee plantation company in the world. The company has strong dealers network. You will find the company's product across all Kirana stores and retail chains. The company is also a supplier to hotel and restaurant chains. Tata Coffee has entered into an agreement with Starbucks to supply coffee beans to its retail chains in India. The company has also started supplying to Starbucks outlets outside India. To enhance its global presence, the company has started a instant coffee facility in Vietnam. Looking at the future growth potential of the coffee industry and the operational and marketing tie-up of the company, Tata Coffee stock looks a wonderful buy. But let's look at its numbers and valuations. In the quarter 4 of FY20, the sales and profit has improved by 12% and 33% respectively, which is very good. And the profit numbers indicates that the net profit margin is also increasing. The debt to equity ratio of Tata Coffee is 0.92. A debt to equity ratio of less than 1 is always good. So we have no issues with the debt to equity ratio. And the company is available at 20 times earnings and the book value is 90.16. As I am recording this video, the stock is trading at 86 rupees. Below the book value. But still, I would advise you not to invest a lump sum amount in the stock as the broader market is very much overvalued now. And in the coming days, we will see greater amount of volatility. So, investors should acquire this stock in tranches. The stock has the potential to reach 170 to 180 range in coming 3 years. To get more such analysis, please do subscribe to the channel and please share the video as much as possible. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.